Bosumi mienu ntem na issue bi esi between Tracy Boache na yenuaba Mzbel. Ama issue na power da so ene papa no. Na me adom issue no akwakoda. Na emom no sisi an na asanso ababebom eye Afia na yenuaba Mzbel ya kroya. Ama Mzbel ya babontin abeka se ekwan a Afia efa so onya nsika ebi ene se sebe one kraman ada a ogisika pudro edi free mu ediba asem we Afia eti no so ba bonten be ka se eye yenua ba Mzbel so no aye no nipa bi obonkofo apo one MPs politicians for ededa na wagisika edi free omonchen enti no eba asa no kantanka TV grant interview with eye yenua ba Mzbel ana Mzbel abeka se so more secret about Afia there and not omonton san fanfre yemia bema tornado na tornado and kita more stories about Afia na endra penny be share our Facebook and Instagram tornado and sama all pro edefa Afia hono na eni eden enya yie pa a oka a o kire mu a Afia etumi echinchin asofo so utie tornado nsema okan no mu abbo asofo bebre na din owo bempa no mu na edin ebemu se Afia etumi kom nchen ekogi sika no wi na aba social media so aba be den aba brage achile nti se wankana no amfa antumu a in fact ade ye nfe ebe anytime me nsembre no moma yenko na enwenko ti asema tornado ekafa Afia eho
bara toto be cheapo toto be cheapo bara kubama bara Afia toto Siltas kakao to be cheap. At your Shwar. Aqua radio station or today. Aqua can sem. I can say Mzbel a dinny boy. Mzbel a dinny boy saying it one Ghana for one more share Mzbel. We the Afia boy. I walk up na TV station. A chant for the more same radio station.
Me, I ain't going to see.
Me, no, I saw it. Obi sani ma me otogo, no obi sani ma.
I don't want to watch.
Obi sani ma me otogo. I'm sure. Walk up na radio station. I will chant for achenya me nyam. But what I don't understand is that why is that if you are all your life, all you want to do is to tarnish people's image. Like all you want to do in your fucking life is to tarnish people's image. Try to paint people black. I mean, like why? If you and I know say blanket no umpena. Mallet umpena. Oh, say blanket no on your body. What you say? It means me and becheche mon kasa bia blanket MP here. I know they make kasa na me transfer kese. Me free thing I me transfer. But basically I can't say blanket dey fear na on no. O ka chem say blanket no what fun as a baby Sarah. Na ofan hwe pena. Because now you say sata me busy. You wash how you dey bread dey here so come dey check sister. Sister now you say come dey check. Yen na sorry yes nkofo sika prophet bedu ko bi munya ye ko so musika e wa sorry dem ho that time no to be ko e ko gido nya wa prophet man obedu ko bi ho ai no to be ko gido prophet man obedu ko bi ho na wa ko dey sick my spiritual father my shock nation prophet we no wutu bempa tesa sa de oni nyana me ne wona eye woni se bi ni mutwe na mitem nya se na na mitem apropro so you pina ma cosmetics so we obiebie wona ntem a papa ase panko no kwa so if you so say ga bio ties na yenhwe wona ntem papa ase etibetim kwa so Ojido. El prophet man obedu ko bi ho. Wa ko iya we be no wusu empa.
Oh, fine.
Oh, my friend, shut up. I'm talking.
Hey,
Let me talk.
I'm your big sister. Don't say shut up.
No, but if I'm in the spirit and I'm talking, let me talk. Do you understand? Because this girl, she's disgracing you, and I won't sit down for anybody to disgrace you. So let me talk, please.
Oh, funny.
No, if I'm saying this, there's nothing. They all know. So if I'm saying she takes money from, it's not that somebody told me. I'm there. Nobody told me. I'm there. Medukobi has been giving Afia money to insult Osuwempa. We go and sit in the restaurant together with Mr. Beautiful. We eat. I'm there. The cash is there. But at the end of the day, when we get home, Afia doesn't give you part of the money. Oh yes, you do fear Afia or my baby. More than 3 times you do in your money. Bibi says, Satan, I say a Juma level. Me na my myself because me or friend me or say, oh, Nana. And if she knew me who won't ye, young quas of one when you call Jidu Kakaka if I sort your out. But your quas son a day on our so that in common so cost to be Odu your mammy do be not just a baby today. I mean, I make quite a yano. You understand what I mean? Baby today, I don't know how you who's went pano. Into brass, don't remember Obi. And now you do fear. No affair blanket. Blanket now, Uma, tornado 50 got enough and for Uban coffee. No, I could join him, but in James and John, have you paid your school fees that I know of this old you soon again? Now I am a sre.
The minute I go watch a bit.
Now I am a sre.
Mommy, get messed up on your.
If I say I may mammy the whole year. The whole so soon Jesus was see anymore. Say would Jesus never bad. With my boy history, no background, remember that. Why did you do? Ay, sanko fuinya. Ushishe juma. Eni nyama. What that is I say when we say you are losing your fans. So what up to radio station. And I'll say, Mzbel, Akodi, oh boy. Now oh boy. Bara. If you are care to check on the low. If you are supi, care to check on the low. Some of them for no fun what the man I won't animate one and I still lost your penny. Now still, also I had no connection. I never connection beyond on the quarter to China. Hey, Blanket, let me tell you something that you don't know. Today I'm telling you. Mallet, let me tell you something so that you will know what I mean. Every man is happy. Means well, I'll come to your distance. Let me try to, brief them certain things. Every man is happy. Say, be a one and a girl, I catch you and say, oh, a sofa or bar for. Now, what can one say 3-some level? Obema be our what say be of it. To say me say my sacred, maybe between 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because better me naturally cheap. My mentor was strategy, black at my mentor strategy, no one I mean, no Casano. Mallet, my mentor strategy, no. So there'll be a who picture, make one of me walk. There'll be a means to walk a bit other than maybe you picture in behavior. My mentor strategy, no, and then now, girl, if you have to take another use water. Blanket. Girls, now if you have to take a call for banana, or said I catch all the guests here, banana yourself. Why a 3 now, so I know you're a man, so you love pussy to with it. I don't know. I mean, catch if you have to take a strategy, I know use my war. Girls are women of us, you are check. On your way, catch to check on the low. Soupy.
Hey, no.
No, use strategy, no. Not your the 3 time back. If I'm lying, you can come out and come and say it. Which I know you come and come out. Because she told me herself, say. Or no, the guests they bar. And you the guests they bampoa. Say guests, but say guests meaning me. Yeah, the camera see me so come to work on the people to my church. Or no, chopper girls. If you have to sleep with chopper girls, waitress who sell at a bar. When we say waitress, someone say you bar no. I get your salary 400 Ghana in your money. And just will be say, make to that. Me say on your money we did your money on your way to tell on the low. If you have to say go to me, the guests will come. Now me watch him man because she's gone. She's drunk. She's gone. I protected her enough, but she never protected me. Rather, I was sorry, I wouldn't have catching comfortable me again. Now, I'm typing an act on that, do I did it so them come over. Every time to you see a year. Maybe what's your phone for me, yo?
Well, I was one of the things.
You what's your phone for me, yo? Blanket. What's a more than paniswa? A do time about the again, and if you have to take a catch yourself. Every time I buy the girl now, if you have to say, where your condom? Where's your condom? This own. Oh, boy. Condom not so far or 2 another champagne. that means you have no option than to move a car and go and buy a condom and come. Over no, they try to cut off a soy and on again I day, on an eye that and two banana again in front of him. Get a CIB I want to be pillar too. Move area on them now. Get a CIB Bino. No, I'll catch you up and start again because you are a man. You didn't know anything, so I don't blame you. And you were happy that your girlfriend named you BA. She likes every time. She wanted to fuck that fat bitch there. So I get on the time, no, and also condom the champagne. I say no. Utu car or called drugstore cut condom by not in I try to check on the low, no. On the night da. Into buy OD girl on what I want to the story. If you have a so if you have to say guys a senior papa Sakwai, and I'm a Masakwai. And on what that chain where they intro can with them man because on we can see about history of background now. Now I don't know if you're watching us, I realize that we lose so fast. Why I just say, who use Mzbel? As I don't know. People are just following, but they don't love you. Mind bad, 1 minute.
Hey, Tornado, this is not what you told me you were going to do. Lack of nobody explaining. No need a theater, need the family. Better me book a day.
Na sema mama atwa my boy 11 something there. Means when banana be explaining be atwa mo na mo nkota. Your money your power. Me asem no kan che me so. Won me court cry. Me fefe my bosom for. Fefe my what's into back. Now if you I don't know I got a radio station and I'll say blanket. Oh boy, you can't say Mzbel. And what's sending the message? If you don't do that. I've always told you. Anyway, I don't know what you get when you do that. Okay, I can say Mzbel. Let's say or surprise mawa, surprise or say or want to say, or catch your boots your food him say. You can't say blanket. Mallet. So Mzbel, so come. Mzbel, what's wrong with you? No, come, my dear. Come, give me a kiss. Come.
You are crazy.
Come closer.
You're such a freak.
I'll say our radio station now. I'll say then.
Video to make her on her birthday. I said I have a surprise for her, and in the presence of her relatives, I told her she must respect she has no class and blah blah blah.
In presence of her relatives, what's your relatives? If you're just saying, only class or relatives. Huh? Maybe about your mom would see if you're relatives. Huh? Ghana for me with some Ghana, the whole Ghana. See, it will be called retirement. Age Ben and Pagoni Dua or call retirement. And yes, stay yes. Huh? But if you are a Kanega, never pay the 82 years, but still, oh yeah, tomorrow, Kumasi Kumo. If you are a Kanega, Bara, total be cheap, oh, if you are total be cheap, over papa 82 years, but up to now, over papa, you must be something if you are something like papa. Udinam come her, and what I you be done watching water. Obi down or team. Or they renting, and what I got watching water. And also, we are going down now to church and out to for cars better work. Any man for pressure because Mzbel a top story builder. And I don't yet know. That is better, sir. And how dear to know. Oh, if you are always see maybe that's a was an hour. No party at Tonsu. Otiana, oh, post pictures. It was Instagram. A claim say, oh, a mansion. Our papa rented dine. It was Tonsu. Oh, papa 82 years. Oh, papa, sorry, I just want to be drugstore. I said, when Jessica, I told you, I'm oh, papa, sorry, 82 years. By this time, like I said, they are all claiming, say, oh, millions of cities. So, be about 13K. Only chance, but see, I don't want to 13K. Ah, we feel tired what the people are too low requiring to go tired with you. Ah, no, be about 13K. Ah, Over party at onsu. You posted pictures trying to when you come on a mama youth no in bar now my banning mama na more pressure at almost on. Fake life! Fake life!
Oh funny. Can I explain the malady?
Mzbel, please, I'm coming. Fake life. Let me finish talking. There be a Ebusiano can only Ebusia. As I check you because if you have to take it, they were party at once with 82 years and so still. Papa not so you continue to be dragged when you start with your lady. Maybe about audio be a mama. Maybe opening the phone for me, please. Maybe about audio be a mama now. Audio now, baby, I'm a that is thing that I've sent. Check on your phone. Yeah, you are.
But the mallet part, I would like to.
Okay, you are opposite. That person papa don't suicide no.
Because mallets.
Papa did 82 years old. If you have to stay Papa did 80 years no. And if you have to stay Papa don't su. Papa no mame money da. Papa dey am so posted the picture on Instagram. Enye papa o. Hey! Enye papa o. Enye mama ante nempra. Nempra. But papa don't kasa na enye papa o. Papa don't kasa ti aton su we di 82. Odi 80 years if you have to stay Akoye party ba no. Na party if you have to stay Akoma no. Okoye man papa o aton su no. Mo mbisa Ghana for say. I don't if you have to stay so you supposed to be beer about her. But party no Okoye man papa o aton su ni 80th birthday no. I don't know which people post on Instagram. And at Facebook, and at Twitter. But everyone no sorry, I know my plan. I will only at plan. I some go so chum you know. Or sorry, I know my boyfriend say plenty katabano. Papa not na play mood at you. Or trap play one. Kumasu huru na na be nyejim. But over papa wo wakasa everything that was tonsu. And then they repair all the fridge. Also papa fridge yes the devil 1866. And what they go to say the devil. Oh papa repair why repair fridge now repair fridge. Yes, oh papa come you see the devil if ya say enya cry. If ya ko papa e wa tonsu. Sa also wa pa na wa ko papa e wa tonsu. Me papa obo bra wo. Obo bra e we japade. Wo me hu se we jimi na me hu se we jimi because ye na mo su na me sure say eh me grandmother fie ni me papa fie ni ye ko kakra ba also papa fie ni o bra be do abo. Me papa ye kwa ni o. Me papa ye kwa ni me osu ho me papa o die me die ko ho na bo 10. Ye drive dey do osu na me sure say me grandmother fie ni me papa fie ni ye ko ye du kakra o say eh osu papa fie ni. Sister papa already there wa tozu. Adai na papa gba for pressure. On Facebook and Instagram. And the mama call her no more but no more bra. If you just take a why my buy kept to check on the low. I'm important to her. Sister. Me can't say the girl wait here. Heart pressure dey me then. Maybe because in follow channel. Anything you are here no no. In call me the problem say youth na ban. Once you Ghana hey juma ni ha. It bo yes idea is either Obama Obekwakwa homosexuality by gay by party. This is na body ato mesono. And now Obekwakwa ashawa. They make not say. Or if you have to think about fake pressure. If you're not people that their sister. Or they need that one double pillar too though. I could see our into within 6 months when man turns out double pillar 2 Dana that she have to start paying rent there. And it's in dollars. She fucking doesn't have the money. Amount of pressure. This is a blanket at 7 about the church.
No, first of all, the video you need to watch
yeah.
A fiancé, my boyfriend, I catch her and say, or name that he had sex with me, and I wanted a relationship because of Osuro or sit there. Guy needs to own ye, into me blackmailing, blanket, okay, mallet. It's possible say enye no kre but if you see when I will kai ain't no say one ma bontin amma mechanical mallet mekwa akosama wo e wona yewe tornado enimu adwumam e wotema mallet ye beba ho aba bebo na wa me yetiti mi wo Jamestown everything Afia said about wo any alloy they are all lies ochina menya adajira chechiremu minimum say I know me imagine say asem we me church me reply me ka hwe inti man hwe interview no but the na tornado di try make a crabby am share you know the we are when near brain a wo can obi tie che be fi say but wow enya me mama mallet me mini mallet better na mallet onu osparking the car it takes like 2 hours and na car na dey so
hey this is how can say
1000 today if you know the class of men I hang out with mallets.
But I remember you even told me when
out of respect for our friendship, when Mallet started misbehaving, tornado ni me bad they pet, and I know me boy mama near, and it really hurts me. Say, Obama, what pick Mallet got if it in the by your life, mo. Who see Obi a hack you Facebook account to send Instagram.
My man can't say we make all kind of it. Did you make sure if you're in a wash? I will never make sure say.
You let me finish, then you should.
Guy be sending a message. I'm coming. Guy be sending the message. I don't know hacking Instagram account. And a guy be sending the message on Instagram. Say, Facebook or say Instagram. So I don't know hacking Instagram. So I think guy is sending message on Facebook. So which may retrieve account now. Then, aman. And no, or see okay. Until you go share guy in the Facebook pictures. Not a guy in here find a crap. Or don't you find a blanket in my letter. I said, guess. When in the guess level, you go say na. I said guy in here Frank a cry. Not you. We the on here so baby Instagram na man but my guy na ba mo heading we di no into when we say if you no obi a own him no baby a o me view on the pictures kwasi ara o kati ayala mu nyama mo edu ah wo munim kati ayala guy na stone boy born you know say kati ayala dia me pene sa omo nyama fraud boy omo nyama di we fia omo di wo ka mu ene the blanket no ye go share no filling station e drive no hu ne de ni ko fie me kwa koto mortar ba me buy ya if just was take a lucky diner with the blanket and one no intenye so onim no na my boyfriend Miss boy you continue with your thing I'll finish later.